Now experiment is being done by me towards the cue card on one of my candidate, as I mentioned earlier in my previous videos, where I have explained properly about the cue card, what is cue card, or how we can complete our 2 minutes that is challengeable for the candidates in order to complete. So now let's start how we can complete our cue card, or in this way you can learn how we can organize our cue card and how we can speak in the innovative and constructive way. So let's start. What's your full name?
My name's Keematpal Kaur.
Where are you from?
I am from Chak Fateh Singh Wala. It is a small village which is located in district Bathinda.
Okay. What are you doing in these days? Are you a student or do you have a job?
Well, recently my senior secondary has been completed by me, and now work is being done by me on my communication skills, which has become a great need of the hour for everyone in order to survive easily.
Okay. Now this is your cue card. You have a 1 minute in order to prepare it. Your cue card is to describe an activity that you do after completion of your school or work which you have. What it is and when and where you do it and with whom you do it and how do you feel after completion of your activity. Now this is the paper and pen, and you can make your notes. Okay, let's start.
Undeniably, different kind of activities are being done by me in order to rejuvenate my tired mind from the monotonous of my daily routine. Here I would like to talk about one of the activity which is done by me regularly. It is a badminton, which I used to play with my brother in the evening time after completion of my school work, and it is done by me in the playground which is present in my hometown. If I talk about my feelings, I feel very good about this activity because firstly I have been playing this activity since my childhood, and also I can say that my body has become more flexible, and I can concentrate very well, and I can do everything in very innovative manner. And I have a great need in order to play this activity because as I am a student, so I have to follow a voluminous syllabus and I have to give a long hour sitting towards my study. So sometime when I feel fed up, I used to play this activity because I have a great need in order to revitalize my tired mind so that I can concentrate very well on my study. So it is one of the activity which I used to play regularly after completion of my school work.
होप कर दिया प्रॉपरली समझ आया होगा. फिर भी इफ़ एनी कैंडिडेट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट, कमेंट ऑन माय वीडियो so that I can clear your doubts properly. So I have cleared your doubts about the speaking section, which I have explained properly about the part 1 of the speaking, part 2 of the speaking, and I also have experimented on my candidate. So in my upcoming videos, I will explain how we can tackle the cross question that are more challengeable for the candidates, because as we know that the examiner will ask you some of the typical question in the cross questioning, and also the examiner ask you about again and again why, where the student always stuck and they puzzled a lot while find out the questions. So don't be panic about these type of questions. सो अगर तुसी चाਹੁੰਦੇ हो कि क्रॉस क्वेश्चन भी थोड़े बहुत अच्छी तरह प्रिपेयर हो जान, अपकमिंग वीडियोस दी वेट करो बिकॉज आई विल अपलोड अबाउट द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द स्पीकिंग इन अपकमिंग वीडियोस. थैंक यू सो मच.